This is the story of Maria, a woman who lived in a small village in America. Her life wasn't easy, but she always hoped for a better tomorrow. Maria had 2 children, a boy and a girl, and was married to a man who didn't treat her kindly. One day, her husband left her without giving her anything, not a home, not money, nothing. Maria found a small house to rent, but life didn't get any better. She couldn't pay the rent for 3 months, and the landlord started troubling her. One day, he kicked Maria and her children out of the house. With nowhere to go, Maria began living on the streets. Some nights they slept in a park, and other nights in quiet alleys. Maria was lost, but she never gave up hope. One day, a kind man saw Maria and her children. He gave them food and offered them a small room to live in. Maria was so grateful. The man also gave her a job, but the job wasn't what Maria thought. She was asked to deliver packages, which she later discovered contained drugs. Maria didn't have many choices, so she kept working. While working, Maria met a rich man who was addicted to drugs. They became friends, and their bond grew stronger. They started spending nights together, getting high, and forgetting the world around them. One day, the man disappeared without a word. Maria was left with her addiction to cocaine, and it started controlling her life. She even began shouting at her kids. Feeling helpless, she left them behind and wandered the streets. A police officer found Maria and arrested her. She was sent to a rehabilitation center, where her life began to change. At the rehab center, Maria started to think about her children. Where are my kids? She wondered. She found out they had been sent to an orphanage. Maria couldn't stay still. She left to find her children. After days of searching, she finally found her son crying on the roadside. She hugged him tightly, and together they found her daughter. Maria started working small jobs to support her children. She enrolled them in school and worked hard every single day. Slowly, her addiction faded away. Maria decided to give back to society. She started helping poor children and families. She said, "If I can make someone else's life better, I'll never feel the need to return to my past." Today, Maria runs her own small business. She's happy and proud of the life she's built for herself and her children. No matter how hard life gets, never give up. If I can change my life, you can too.